Hello, Johnson here. So today's tutorial is on how to load and unload internal cargo on the CH-47 Chinook. As always, we're flying out of the DCS server of the Doghouse, map Strike 4.1, Area 2. And we're flying out of the Seaport Supply Base, dropping the cargo off at Forward Operating Base Perth. Hit the like and subscribe button. Hope to see you on the game server. Let's get started. Okay, so the key commands needed will be command engineer to lower ramp fully and raise fully. Okay, let's lower that back ramp. Gonna want to go to your comm menu, ground crew, rearm and refuel. Hit this cargo button right here, that's for loading. This one over here is for unloading. So let's grab all this cargo. We got 3 of them here. You can fit up to 4. And I recommend you X out of these, unless of course you're actually rearming and refueling. Save you some time. Close the back ramp. And you're good to go. Okay, let's get our TACAN set up. Okay, so this display screen right here is what we're working with right now. So we want to go FD, that button right there, and then TACAN, and you want to change this mode here to transmit receive, TR, and hit this return button, and let's see, the TACAN for the Forward Operating Base Perth is 4, so you want to type in 04X and then hit this button right here. See how that turned to 4? Now the seaport where we currently are located is 3. So let's just for test, well actually hit this clear button here and that will backspace. So 03X, hit that button, changes to 3, let's put it back to 4. Okay, and then you want to go to this center panel, display panel, put it on your compass. Hit the center utility button. Hit the TACAN button. At that point it'll display up on the compass. Right now it's set behind a mountain, so we're not going to see it on the compass yet. Alright. Okay, so here we go. Now I've also put some waypoints in. Notice on your compass down there there's an arrow. It hasn't been working correctly. It's and sending me to the wrong waypoint. So hopefully the TACAN kicks in here shortly. Now again, if you're flying on the Doghouse server, I threw in some options under the COM menu. Go to Other, and you'll see some options in here. Just as a demonstration, I put air support in. Just going to push that, and 2 F5s come out and run cover for you, run cap while you're on your way. Okay, so we're coming in on the FARP days. Should be right here. Notice the TACAN arrow showing up now down on the compass. It's been for a little bit. Okay, a rough landing. Alright, put your back ramp down. Go back to the COM menu. Ground crew. Rearm, refuel, this cargo button here, and unload. So the first one gave us, let's see, we dropped off some fuel, so we got a couple of Bradleys are now headed to the front line. Drop off this one. That gave us some infantry that we can pick up here and transport to the front line. The Roland gave us a Roland air defense system for the forward operating base that we're currently at. So that'll be helpful. Okay, and again, we're going to X out. Close the back door. and go grab some fuel.